Welcome everyone to our channel Basic ICT PNG. This video falls under our basics of Microsoft Office applications category of videos. The topic of discussion today is Introduction to Microsoft Office 2019, and this video talk about the things you should know about Microsoft Office. There are many things you should know about Microsoft Office, but here we will cover the things you should know before installing Microsoft Office on your personal computer. And there are two things that we have to cover here. The first one is the things you should know before installing Microsoft on different types of computers. And two, the things you should know before installing more than one version of Microsoft Office in your PC. Let's first look at the things you should know before installing on different computer systems. Each type of Microsoft Office is created to be installed on a certain type of computer system, which means you cannot get a setup of Microsoft Office designed for a certain type of computer and install it on a different type of computer. Examples. There are two examples. Example number one. WPS Office is created to be installed on mobile computers such as smartphones. This means that the setup cannot be used to install on a desktop. You cannot download that setup of WPS Office and try to install it on a desktop. It will not work. Example number two. Office 2019 is created for personal computers such as desktops and laptops. It cannot be installed on smartphones. Similar to what is the example on the first one. Next, let's look at things you should know before installing more than one version of Office on your PC. Now here we discuss 6 points. The first point answers the question, can we install more than one version of Office on our PC? The answer is yes, you can install more than one version of Office on one PC. Examples, you can install Office 2013 and Office 2019 on your laptop. Or example number two, you can install Office 2010, 2016 and 2019 on your desktop PC. But note, they would take up space in your hard drive. Thus, it is best to install only the latest version you have at hand. Point number two, when you install more than one version, one of these versions will be the default. Examples, when you install Office 2013 and Office 2019 on your laptop, say Office 2013 will be the default Office system, or vice versa. 2019 will be the default. Example number two, when you install Office 2019, 2016 and 2010 in your desktop PC, maybe Office 2016 will be the default Office system. Here note that it is best to use the latest version. Three, the default Microsoft Office system varies from computer to computer. Some computers take the last used version as the default, some take the latest version as the default, some take the first installed version as the default. So take note of this when you install more than one version on your PC. Every time you open a file by double clicking, the file will open up by the default version of the application used to create it. For example, you create a Word document using Word 2013 on your desktop or laptop and save it in your flash drive. Then you take it to another PC or laptop that has Office 2010 Office 2013 and Office 2019. When you double click on your file, the document open up using Word 2019. This means that Office 2019 is the default Office system in the desktop PC or laptop. Point number 5. Before launching another Office version apart from the default, the computer will reconfigure to first make the selected version default. This often takes time. For example, say your desktop PC has Office 2013 and Office 2019, where Office 2013 is the default version. But when you want to use Office 2019 to type a document, you first click Word 2019 application. Then the desktop will configure it to make Office 2019 the default before launching Word 2019. Final point number 6. When you want to open a file by using another version of the application apart from the default one, you have to open the application first before opening the file. For example, you want to open a Word document using Word 2013 on your desktop PC, where the default Office system is Office 2019. You have to launch Word 2019 first, then open your Word document. Do not double click on your document. It will directly open up with Word 2019 and not Word 2013. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like if you like our content. See you in our next video, which is in addition to this video here on things you should know when using Microsoft Office. Goodbye and see you in the next video.